Welcome back to another tutorial in the CorelDRAW course for beginners. In this lesson, we're going to look at the envelope tool. Now, the envelope tool will allow you to distort the shape of any object in CorelDRAW. So I'm going to start off by creating a rectangle. I like using a fill color so you can clearly see the changes that are going to be made. So with that selected, I'm going to select the envelope tool, and that's under the shadow tool. So with that selected, I can come here and distort the shape in any direction, in any way I want. So you can see it's not particularly following any order. I'm just going as I go. So that's one way of working with the envelope tool. I'm just going to put this over here. So let's create a different shape. Then select the envelope tool. Now you can see it has three different commands over here, or different modes. So the first one is you have the straight line mode. Now with the straight line mode, you can only make the edits on a straight line, so like this. So if I want, Control Z, select the straight line mode and then click and drag. So you can only see I can only operate on a straight line. So it's either moving to the right or downwards with that side. This will apply to any side. It's either up or to the side. I can't move it around. So it's either up, down, or left or right. That's what it means when it says the straight line mode. Let's try with another shape. So try another polygon. Let's give it a fill color this time, and then select the distort, the envelope command. Then we have the single arc mode. Now with this one, you can only change half an arc of the shape. So let me just show you. If I click and drag, you can only see it's affecting the half of this line. The same with this side. Create kind of half an arc effect. Same to that. Let's look at the last one that we have. Give it a fill color. Distort. We have the double arc mode. Now the difference between the double arc mode and the single arc mode is that with this one, you can affect two sides if you want to. So if I want to affect the side on my right, I can do so. If I want to affect the side downwards, I can still do so. You can see I've created this double arc effect on this shape. So let's do that again. So you can do that, and then the same side, bring it in. So let me you can see the double arc effect I've created over here. But with the single arc effect, like you have this in this one, you can only affect one side. So it's either the left side, or it's actually only either you go to the left side. So I can't affect two sides at once, like when you're using the double arc mode effect. So that's the difference between the double arc mode and the single arc mode. So go ahead and try working with this effect on different shapes and different objects in CorelDRAW, and see how that will work out for you and what kind of results you will get.